Good evening. 16 AGR Durham at 23:45, Monday, 22nd of February 2021, showing you the PFD at night current position. So here we go. We're at minimum brightness. So this is the brightness that's passed from that controller, where it's on a scale between 0.1 and 1.0, and we've put a logistical curve, which is another name for an S-curve, in, so you can see we're giving this controller just about 18%, 0.018, so 18% of that number. And you can see the blue is coming through as blue, and if I jack this controller up, you will see the issue you were having before, where the ADI is coming through far too bright, and all the other objects on this scale are also too bright. As I jack the scale down, you will see that the green, if you look at the compass here, you see the green reacting to the scale coming down. See the new cyan barometric altimeter, see that working, and we can click the specific controller here. This is the master brightness for this pilot, and so everything is broadly copacetic. Go down, so that's nice. It's still blue. The initial version we did had effectively two shades of grey at full darkness. So I'm now going to hang up and show you how this looks in the daytime, and wait one. And we're back again in the Hercules in the daytime, and we press fly. Brightness defaults to minimum on the master brightness, so let's jack that up, and that demonstrates that we still have blue even though it's daylight outside, and all the controls are as you would expect them. The barometric altimeter works the same, and so obviously the next task is to draw a white line between the blue and then put the brown beneath the blue and make the brown take the same hue as the blue. And that's a lot of Lua code that's going on here, where we're making the colors with a function in Lua instead of passing it through from a DDS file drawn in Photoshop, and we are using HSV as the technology, and we have a function that makes the box and a function that adds the circle to the top, because this object is now a This object is now a Lua written rectangle. It looks like that, and then it's got the arc of a circle on top, where the circle would be, middle of the circle would be somewhere here, and then you've got the arc on the bottom where the middle of the circle would be in there. So anyway, draw a white line, put brown in, make sure the hue of the brown works, and then this thing should be working pretty well. the only other thing I've noticed is that we need to pass the brightness parameters equally to these two sets of green lines that we're writing in Lua. That's obviously not as effective as the parameter, the opacity width parameter that we're using on the green compass rows and the green borders, etc., etc. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll see you soon.